Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to put the final touches of Christmas on the house and I'm very excited. Hanging up some art behind the stove. I decided to just use my hydrangea picture. I love this thing. I think she looks beautiful and she's meant to be in that spot. So we're gonna get her hung up. I also have a lamp I've been trying out here where I had my little Thanksgiving set up, the little lamp with the little wreath. I'm gonna do kind of the same thing here on the island. So we're gonna be doing that and we're gonna get the garland done and Ursula doing the coffee bar. We're not doing much as far as decor goes here in the kitchen, like, other than what I've already done, which is my beautiful village up there and wreath. And then we have the Christmas tree that we added. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I have a candle that I got last year around New Year's that a girlfriend gave me, and I've been burning it every single morning. It smells amazing. I'll give you a good close-up of that. She also gave me a dish towel that I've ironed, and I'm ready to hang that up. Just some little festive touches to finish off and polish off the Christmas decor. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, using the same little pedestal base, I have this lamp that I absolutely love. It needs to be charged, I believe. And then I have this little wreath here. So it's got the pine needles and some eucalyptus, and I thought it was the perfect little touch for here. So this is not quite wide enough for this, so I have to kind of push that in there. There we go. Just a little festive touch. I love that it has this beautiful blue and white shade and kind of a bamboo-y feel on the base. Very pretty. It just all looks like one piece. Here's the candle that my girlfriend got me. Isn't it pretty? Look how much I've burned. I burn it every morning, all day long. I love it. It's beautiful. She knows me so well. This is the dish towel that she got me with the candle. It's so pretty. Gorgeous. Nice little festive touch there. Isn't that pretty? It's a cute little festive touch on the oven. I love it. Okay, we're gonna get this garland hung up. Okay guys, it's a new day and I gave up on the hanging of the garland. I fussed with it so much. It just wasn't working. I went through the trouble of painting the command strips the same color as where they were going, which is a wonderful idea. I highly recommend. And I hung them so that the loop was, like down like this. So the weight of the garland was pulling on the hook. So what I've done is I ended up hanging them on this side of the den, and I didn't paint them again. I'll try and figure out a way to hide them, and I'm just gonna hang it proper, the way it's meant to be hung. So we're gonna do that. I have the lights hanging up there because I wanted to make sure I had enough lights, and I do. So I'm gonna take those away, put the garland up, and then relight it. So let's go ahead and do that now. So these command strips have been hanging up here since this morning. I want to give them enough time to cure. Hopefully they can hold the weight of this garland. I'm hoping. Okay, the only thing I hate is how sparse it is on top, but I think I have a way to fix that. So I have this one here. It has red berries on it and pine cones. So let's try these. Okay, this is much better. I actually like the way it's fuller on top and then just kind of comes down, but that is a really pretty entryway. The reason why I wanted to do it in the middle as opposed to one side is because here's the door. I didn't want to do it on this side because, you know, when people come in, I just felt like it was going to get continuously brushed up against. I got to move that paint and put all my stuff away. You can see that it's got garland right when you walk in. So that's beautiful. A nice little Christmas touch to the entryway. Now, I originally wanted to do that here as well, and I will next year, but we ended up using the garland on the chandelier for this. So note to self, this is what I want to create next year here. Okay, let's go do the coffee bar. Okay, this is what our coffee bar currently looks like. I've already removed the mugs. We have all of our necessary things here. These are the coffee syrups and the little mixer, our coffee pot, our sugar, our mug holder, a picture, and some other decor and a lamp. I'm gonna keep this here. This is our little coffee bar napkin because I think these are so precious. They're green, they're textured, and they've got a scalloped edge, and I love them. And this is our little spoon rest. So we're gonna add some things. I got these picks here from Kirkland Home. They've got little jingle bells on them. They're gorgeous. I got this beautiful picture. I love this. Heavily framed, so I don't have to lean it or hang it, so that's lovely. And then this beautiful reindeer. Everything was on sale. Everything. We're gonna add this beautiful Christmas touch over here. Let's see what we can create. Okay, I know for sure I'm gonna switch this out. I think I might actually change this. Let me just put this back in here until I decide. So we're gonna get rid of this. We're going to get rid of this. We are going to put this away. I love this idea for a coffee bar. It's more decorative than it is useful, but our coffee pot does have the capability of making pots. So it's actually a great way to display this. I'm not sure if I'm leaving the lamp or not. I'm gonna give this a little wipe down. Give this a wipe down. And I'm not sure I'm leaving the lamp. If you guys are looking for a great scent and a safe universal cleaner, I get this at Kroger. I hurt my finger while decorating. It smells so good. It smells scrumptious. Do the backsplash too. Okay. I did feel like the bar was a tad bit crowded, so I want to alleviate that for this time of year. I'm going to start with this picture. I love these together. I have this vase. This is vintage Pottery Barn. When did we buy the house in Chula Vista? This is from 2001 Pottery Barn. I have a set of them, and I also have a bowl. So it's considered vintage. Vintage Pottery Barn. Well, it's not really vintage. I mean, it's old, and I love them. I've used them all the time in different areas of my house for different things. It's glitter season, you guys. This is when you get glitter everywhere in your house. Okay, I got that wired up nicely. Looks good. Let's make sure some of these bells show. That was a pain in my booty. There we go. That looks pretty, doesn't it? Okay, I'm gonna add the picture there and the reindeer there, and that is such a beautiful little arrangement. I love that. Now I'm going to put my mug holder here, and I have to show you these mugs. I got them on Zazzle. How beautiful are these? Oh, I love them. So I got 3 of these. So we will and then I got 3 of these. Are those not beautiful? I love them. Hang those. Isn't that pretty? Oh, they're gorgeous. Okay, and this is a working coffee bar, so we gotta leave all the accoutrements here. Extra salted caramel back here. There we go. From here, this way, it gets used multiple times a day. So, let me try something. I think it looks just fine. It's a working coffee bar. It's beautiful. These guys go with these guys. Beautiful. Oh, and this is delightful. Let's see what it looks like with the lights off. Oh, that is the perfect glow, isn't it? Festive little corner here. It's gorgeous.